NFT. So basically you might have heard about this in social media, news, and basically all over. According to Opensea, the current market valuation of NFTs are valued around 13 billion US dollars. Phew, that's a lot. I mean, how many zeros does it even have? Never matter. So NFT, non-fungible token. So what does it mean? It basically means tokens that are not fungible. Okay, so jokes apart. So before you know what is an NFT, you need to know what is an FT, fungible token. So fungible token basically means a token which cannot be replicated or equated to. Say, for an example, here, let's consider a $100 US note is a fungible token, and it can be easily replaced or equated to $10 US bills, right? So this is basically fungible token. And non-fungible tokens are tokens that cannot be equated or replicated. Say, for an example, a digital asset. So here's a cryptocurrency millionaire who bought a digital artwork or a digital NFT of an artist called as Beeple for 69 million US dollars. Jack Dorsey, the CEO of Twitter, actually took a screenshot of his first tweet on Twitter and converted it into an NFT and sold it for around 2.9 million US dollars. So NFT are basically digital assets which has its unique properties. Yes, because that digital asset has unique properties, it cannot be replaced or equated to. So basically, consider you have a car. So the car you have will have a document that proves that you are the owner of that particular asset or the physical asset. So in digital space, in digital assets, these don't have ownership or certificate of authenticity or ownership document or whatever you can call it. So to give it an ownership or certificate of authenticity, NFTs exist. So for example, I can upload my first video on YouTube, convert it into an NFT, and basically claim it as an NFT of myself which I own. So similarly, NFTs are tokens which are non-fungible, which means it cannot be replicated or equated to. Why? Because it has its own unique properties. Now, let's consider my first video on YouTube as an NFT. What are the unique properties does it have? The location the video is shot from, the person who is in the video, and the camera used to shoot that video. These can be considered as the unique properties of that particular digital asset. In this case, my first video on YouTube. So this is basically a digital signature which provides an ownership to a digital asset. I hope you understood. Easy, it's it. Now, there are a lot more things in depth when you talk about NFTs in general, but the examples and the explanation that I gave you is simple. So if you need to know more about NFTs, just subscribe to my channel and click the like button, and also comment down below on what you need to know in depth about NFTs so I can try to make a video on that. Now you might think, how can I create my own NFT? Well, it's simple. Before you create your own NFT, you need to have a cryptocurrency wallet. There are many cryptocurrency wallets in the market right now. Say for example, Coinbase, MetaMask. So here in my video, I've chosen MetaMask. So after creating an account in that MetaMask, you have to connect it to the platform where you want to sell or buy NFTs. So there are many NFT marketplaces, but the most common ones are Opensea and Rarible. So I've chosen Opensea. You can choose Rarible or whatever you want. So after opening, you can see the current existing trending NFTs that are being sold in that platform. So what you need to do is to connect your cryptocurrency wallet to Opensea in order to make a profile. So in order to do that, you need to have the extension of MetaMask if you are in your PC, or else you can use it with your application. It's simple. You just need to connect your MetaMask cryptocurrency wallet to the Opensea profile so that it becomes one whole profile. So after becoming one whole profile, just click the create button, and there you go. You will be having many options where first you need to upload your digital asset. It can be a video, as I said, it can be a digital artwork, it can be a photograph. And after uploading it, you have to set your own unique properties. So here I've uploaded my childhood picture and I'm just giving it some random unique properties. But make sure when you upload your own digital asset, you have to give unique things that actually gives it uniqueness, right? These are some of the things that you need to keep in your mind. And afterwards, you have to choose the blockchain where you have to publish your NFT. Now, when it comes to blockchain, there are two options. One is Ethereum and two is Polygon, which is matic before. So if you need to publish your NFT in Ethereum, it is a bit difficult because Ethereum's network is so busy right now because people are talking NFT, and it's so popular. And because of that, you need to pay a gas fee. A gas fee is something like a convenience fee in order to allocate a space in that network for your NFT to exist. But yes, this is a problem because gas fee can be more than the value of the digital asset which you give. So I suggest you to use Polygon. Yes, it is not as good as Ethereum, but if you use Polygon, you don't need to pay any gas fee. So after doing that, you need to set the price. So while setting the price in this platform is based out of Ethereum, and boom, there you've already created an NFT. Now, when you create an NFT, you can upload in two ways. One, as a whole collection, or two, as a single piece. And it will ask you on how many quantity you want to sell. The more quantity you have, the less you can price it. The lesser it is there, the more you can price it. Now it also depends on who you are and what is the value of that particular thing. So basically, I think you understood what's an NFT and how to create your own NFT. Now there are much more in-depth information, as I said before, when it comes to NFT and creating your own and that and this. If you need to know more about it, just like the video and comment down below that you need to know more about, or what specifically you need to know, so that I'll try to create more videos in the future. So there's a link in the description below. Just open it and check it out. It is my brother's NFT, so he has uploaded some artworks in Opensea. You can just check it out. You don't need to buy. I mean, you can just check it out on how an NFT looks or what NFT is my brother selling. So that link is in the description below. And yes, go and create your own NFT and become a millionaire right now. So if you end up liking the video, thumbs up to the video and click the subscribe button for more interesting tech videos. So this is me, Arnav, signing off from the video. Until the next one, stay home, stay safe, take care. Bye-bye.